Hi there, this is the video for absolute beginners. So we are going to use Onshape. So first we need to sign in here and then we can create something here. So I'm going to click on create document and I can name anything like part 1 or whatever, and I am going to click on create button. Now simply we will see the environment and we are going to see each and everything here. So first thing are these planes. So if you want to check these planes, this is the front one, right one, and this is the top one. So how we can rotate this one? So we can use this tool. If I click on here front, it will show us the front view. If I click here, it will show us like this. If I go to the left, it will show the back of the right plane. So, or you can just use these tools for this one, or you can use the right mouse button by you can press the right mouse button and drag your mouse to see in this environment. Okay, now let's go to the front view, and if I want to draw something on this, we need to use a sketch tool. So this is our features window where we can see all the planes and we can hide these planes. We can align these planes and each and every object here, and so simple. Now we want to create something on the front plane. How we are going to do that? First we need to click on sketch. So we need to click on sketch and it will ask you about the plane. So where do you want to sketch? So we want to sketch on the front plane. We can click here or click here. It's totally up to you. I'm going to click here. So now the sketch one is selected. We can press this button and now you can see we have a sketch one here. If we want to edit this one, this sketch, and draw something on it, we will click on right mouse button and click on edit. Now we can draw something here. So simply I'm going to use this line tool. So I'll click on it and I'll start drawing. So like this, like this, like this, something like this. So if I connect these two dots, it's going to be a closed profile. So this is a closed profile, and if I look around, it's just some simple straight lines. So how we are going to convert it into a mesh, a solid body, solid mesh? So we are going to click on front, and if I want to extrude this area, how I'm going to do that? I'm going to simply click here on extrude, and you will see this object. So we have extruded this area or this object, this sketch. So now we can just drag this one, this arrow, to change the height, width, length. So we can depth of this object, or we can put the dynamic values here. We can put 1.04. We can put inches, millimeter, centimeter, whatever. So I'm going to use inches, and that's it. Okay, now you can see our object here. This is very simple. So I'm going here again on the front view, and we have this sketch. If we still want to change our sketch, we can still click here on this button. Now we can again go to our sketch. We can unhide this and right click mouse button and click on edit. Again we are going on the basic sketch, so we can drag this and we can put it like this way, or we can disconnect these dots, but I'm not going to disconnect these ones. So this is our first shape, so like this. So if I go here and click OK, now we can see this shape. If we change in our basics base sketch, then we are going to see the same sketch here except with the extruded tool. So that's very simple. So now if we want to draw something on this shape, we can do that as well. If we want to draw something on this one, this plane or this plane, because these are the faces of this object. So if I want to draw something here, again simple procedure, I'm going to click on this plane, or I'm going to click here, click sketch. Now it will ask you about the plane or the faces. So I'm going to select this face and now I can draw on it. So simple is that. So I'm going on the front view and I'm going to draw a circle here. So click on this circle and I'm going to draw this circle here, then draw this circle, as many as you want, and these are the circles which we have. Now if we want to extrude these circles as well, we have to click here, or we can just simply say extrude. Okay, now we can see there are objects on this first profile. So we can extrude this one, or we can remove this one. So if we want to remove this one, I'll click on remove and you can see some holes in this shape. Okay, if you want to just make some holes in this shape, I'll just take this one, grab this one, and I'm going to drag this one. Okay, I'm going to set a value here, or I can drag these ones. Okay, the value is 1 inch. I'm going to say 4 inch. Let's see the results. We have holes in our shape, so we can click OK, and now we have a different kind of shape here. So this is very basic. Hope so you understand each and everything. If you don't, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you want to export this object, you can simply click on this part 1 and right mouse button, and then you can just say export, and you can get this file in any kind of format, OBJ, SolidWorks, or step files, or whatever you want. And that's it for today. Have a good day. Bye bye.